Hey guys, what's up? Mike here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So in this video, I want to briefly just touch on the upcoming tech hiring surge that I'm predicting that's going to come in 2021. Yes, this is something that I'm predicting. I don't really see too many people touching on this, but the writing is clearly on the wall. And yes, I have been talking about this over the last couple of weeks in different videos, but I wanted to make a shorter video for my YouTube and LinkedIn and stuff for people to comment on this particular subject and really share their thoughts on what they think about this. Also for two additional reasons. Number one, it's important to have this optimistic outlook because I truly feel this is going to happen and this is going to come. It's a great thing. And number two, to really start thinking about this and start preparing for what's to come. So here's how I see it. 2020 has been a disaster. We all know that. It's been a disaster. What else can we say? Companies have lost 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90%. A lot of companies have gone out of business. A lot of companies won't return. Employees getting furloughed and laid off and things like that. We're starting to go back with masks. It's been a disaster, all right? There's nothing really else to say. The whole entire world has gone into uncharted territories that we've never really experienced, right? But a couple of things that's going to happen. Number one, there's going to be an election in the United States, November 3rd. A president will be solidified, and then people will start to go back after a few months after that, like, all right, we know what's going to happen in the next 4 months or 4 years. Let's just move on. Okay, that's number one. This is a huge political climate right now. Number two, it's human instinct, it's human nature to bounce back, all right? So when you think about it, a lot of smart tech investors and stuff like that, a lot of smart people lost a lot of money, all right, gone out of business, things like that. It's human nature to get back and to fight and try to overcome those obstacles and these challenges. And so a lot of smart people, hundreds and thousands of smart investors and rich folks are going to get back into the space. They're either going to innovate or they're going to pivot their current products and services and just move more. All of these folks are going to move into a space that's more digital if they haven't been in the digital space already. There's going to be a lot of money thrown in innovation in the digital space in general, and that requires resources, product leaders, product designers, and developers, amongst other folks that's involved in, building out tech products and things like that. That's going to come. I believe you're going to start seeing that ramp up January, February, March, April of 2021. All right, and then beyond. So what do you do now? Two options. One, you have a job right now, continue to grind, get that job, but continue to prepare for the plethora of opportunities that's to come in the upcoming year. Number two, if you do not have a job, this is an opportunity for you to start chipping away, grinding on your visual UI design skills and understanding basic common sense in terms of UX design and product design knowledge and what that's about. All right. If you want to learn more about what I do and what I teach, visit my site, ML UX Academy. You can get started tonight learning visual design and on your path to improving your skills for what's to come in 2021. All right. And if you already have a job and you already have the skills, stay connected. There's a lot of information that I'm going to be putting out, a lot of things that you can benefit from. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I go live. I've been doing that recently over the last couple of weeks and a lot more stuff to come. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or visit my link, mluxacademy.com. Click on the contact link, ask me any questions. I'll be happy to answer those for you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.